Let me show you easily the best high performance magnetic switch gaming keyboard that you can currently get on the market. Inside the box we actually get really decent packaging over here, as well as quick instructions and how you can control the keyboard. Also we even have spare keys as well as a tool basically to extract them as well, and also actually a really nice cable here as well. As you see, the cable quality is absolutely superb. And the build quality of this keyboard is absolutely insane. And when you start using the keyboard, you can pretty much instantly tell that this is actually very decent quality. And also the size is actually very compact as well. And we have the Type-C connector over here. On the back of it we only have these rubber feet over here, and again this is the A60 Pro model. And the best part about this keyboard actually is the price. With personally I got mine from Banggood and it's only around $40 currently with special deal. So for this price, considering what kind of quality we actually get, the speed and performance, it's actually absolutely insane how much the thing costs. So I'll leave a link in the description where you can get it for the cheapest price. Again, when you actually look at the specs, it's absolutely completely wild how much this thing costs. So usually if you actually want to get this kind of spec and build quality, you will probably need to spend at least 2 times as much, and really no wonder this actually is one of the most popular keyboards at the moment. So again, check the link in the description, that will lead you to the cheapest place where you can get it. Also, let's quickly check the weight of this bad boy. And yeah, definitely when you handle it, you can definitely tell that this feels very substantial. And what's absolutely great on this keyboard is we can actually control all the lights and all the RGB styles using the keyboard itself, and we do not have to open any software or stuff like that. So let me show you. So first, if you press your function key over here and either this or this, you can actually increase or decrease the brightness. So you see I can like even turn it off as well if I want, or again crank it to the maximum if I need it. Then if I press the function and this button over here, I can actually cycle through different styles essentially. You see, I will show you what we actually have over here. And again, for some of these styles, actually when you start typing, so there are a crazy amount of different styles actually on this keyboard. I think this actually is my favorite one, and it looks so absolutely awesome. And this basically illuminates like larger areas you type. Something a bit similar. So you can also turn it off completely, so if you do not want these light effects. And then again, if you use your function and these arrow keys, you can actually cycle through different colors basically for the RGB. Also in the app, basically in the software, you can also set like any custom colors that you want. So again, it's very customizable just as you really need to. And again, even the default color choice also is actually really decent. And next, when it comes to the actual performance and typing experience, this pretty much destroys everything else in the market. So since this actually is magnetic switch keyboard, not only it will be fast, but also it won't be as loud as dedicated mechanical keyboards. So you kind of get best of both worlds essentially with this type of keyboards. And again, when you actually check the specs, it pretty much destroys everything else in the market. And again, it has pretty much the top basically speed you can get. So again, even if you were to spend much more than this cost, you wouldn't really get much better performance this one. So again, that's why probably this keyboard is so popular. And again, when it comes to typing experience, so after using this keyboard for some time, again, I absolutely love the typing experience. So it feels really just as good as top-end like mechanical keyboards, but again, when you actually type, you actually do not get crazy noise, so it won't disturb anyone around you. And again, the typing experience and basically usability wise, these magnetic keyboards, again, I can actually highly suggest them. And let's do a noise test. And this is what the switches actually look like. We do get 2 spare switches in the box as well. And the quality of these also appear very decent. Also, removing the keys also with provided tool is actually fairly easy, so we simply jam this all the way inside and then pull, and as you see, I can remove my key, and this is essentially what it looks like. And if you want to configure how your keyboard essentially performs, we actually have to use this web interface to do it. So as soon as you connect basically your keyboard, it will show up over here. And if we launch it, basically the first time you actually launch it, it will be in Chinese language. So you actually have to go over here and choose your language. So by default, again, it took me like literally 5 minutes to figure out how to change the language over here again. So it's simply on this corner over here. And then as you see, I can pretty much like set any custom color for my keys, essentially also change speed and brightness. And basically as you see, we have the like options over here, so I can switch between these. Also various lighting effects over here. So yeah, I mean, it's crazy advanced. Then also we can configure basically the triggers here as well. So if you switch to the global settings, you see you can change the sensitivity, basically the speed, basically for basically all keys. So also like, let me zoom out to see what we can actually do over here. And if we switch to the individual key settings, so we can also configure basically for each individual key this as well. So if you want some keys to be faster or slower essentially than others, also you see we have this over here as well. I mean, it's crazy advanced, as you see. Okay, and also then we can do key remapping here as well. So essentially you can configure basically also macro recording as well. And also these advanced keys here as well. And also these various performance settings. So by the way, you definitely should actually like go over here in the software, because the default polling rate is actually set to only at 1K. So if you actually want to unlock the full performance, you actually have to go over here and select the 8K or maybe 4K. So depending on what you need. You see also various modes here as well, and bunch of other settings over here. So yep, overall the customization like ability of this keyboard, yeah, it's absolutely insane. And overall, is this keyboard actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, if you're looking for extremely high performance keyboard that also has got really decent build quality and top of the line typing experience, then this keyboard, it's pretty much impossible to beat. And again, if you actually check the price, for its price, really nothing at all actually comes close to the keyboard in the market. And again, Banggood is probably the best place where you can purchase this keyboard, because not only we get very fast shipping, but also the price is the best you can find it for anywhere. Again, for this price, when you actually look at competition, really this completely destroys everything else in the market. So absolutely great keyboard. Anyway, good luck.